Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna do a video about the Brother HL L2390DW printer. If you guys are getting an error where you aren't able to print the edge perfectly, or if the edge is not printing okay or it's lighter than the other side, then I'm gonna show you a fix for that today, and I hope that fix works. And let's get started. So I'll show you first the print and the problem which I'm having right now. So this is a test print, and if you can see closely, this side looks perfect, but if you can see right around here, it's not printing properly at the edge, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that. It's really easy. All you gotta do is adjust the toner, and I'll show you how. So to get started, you have to get the toner and the drum out. So all you gotta do is, if you have this particular model, there would be two latches on both the side. All you gotta do is push it down and this whole thing will pop out, and this is the tray. To eject the tray, you either press this green button and just pull the whole tray out. I'm gonna do that and I'll come back to that. So once the tray is out, so this is the drum part and this is the toner. I don't have the OEM toner. I have the compatible one. I have TN760, which is the high yield cartridge. I'm gonna do another video about that as well, but for now let's get started. I will eject this toner by pressing this thing down and it pops out. So if you take a close look, here is the main roller, and if you can see on the right hand side where the print was not that dark enough, if you can see, there is less ink over there compared to the other side. So if you have a close look, I'll bring more light to it, and you can clearly see on the right hand side there is less ink powder. So pretty much how this drum works is they have ink in there, and there are two rollers on the side, and there is this shiny blade which prevents the powder from dropping out, and it kind of the powder gets caught up on this roller right here. So from there the print happens. So currently on this roller on the right hand side, it's not that good. The reason could be there would be two reasons. You see this blade right here just beneath the roller. If there is any debris or ink powder getting stuck over there, then that could be one of the reason why the ink powder is not sufficient on the right hand side of the roller. Or it could be just the roller needs a little bit of cleaning. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So now I'm gonna show you the actual cleaning part. All you need is this is just the same paper. I bifolded it because you need something thick and hard enough to slide it in between the blade right here and the roller, so you can clean that part up. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I had to place the phone in a way that I can record it pretty good. So if you can see, I'm sliding this as far as it goes in there, and all you gotta do is just move it around a couple of times. There would be ink getting caught on it, and as well as the debris. You can flip it around, use the other edge, and kind of slide it again a couple of times. Once that's done, it should be sufficient enough. Sometimes what you want to do is if there is ink powder right around here on the blade itself, you need to clean that up. I usually use a soft cloth to clean that up, and if there is a lot of ink powder on the top, or it's kind of getting caught up on this metal part, you have to clean that up. And if you see any vertical lines on the powder, that means that you have to do the same thing to clean the gap over there. If that's the case, then the print would be lighter on particular line on the page. Hope that makes sense. But yeah, this is the trick which you want to do. So make sure you clean the edge. If there are vertical lines, you can wipe the roller with a soft cloth and just clean around any debris. So that's pretty much it. Now you just slide the drum in, it'll snap back. You put the whole drum with the cartridge in, you feel a nice snug over there. Yep, it's perfect. And then you close the part, and there you go. Once you hit print, the print should be perfect. So I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and share this video so it can help a lot of other people out. If you're looking to purchase the compatible toner for this particular model, as well as this particular printer, I will link some cool deals on Amazon in the description down below, so make sure you check that out, and if you find a good deal, you can purchase through there. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in another video. Be in touch. I'm gonna definitely put more videos about the compatible cartridge and the OEM cartridge. I'm also gonna do a review about the print, like versus and the quality and stuff. If you have any further question about this particular model or any technical issues, make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll try to address that in the next video. Signing out. Have a good one, guys.